Hello friends, Laurel Dawn here, and I am so excited that you chose in on the morning declarations. So just a quick little, a few tips. So what this is, it's a 3-video series. So this first video is just instructions and tips and how I do this so that you can repeat it. Now the only reason I'm telling you what I do is because it works for me. If you already have a process that you do every morning and it works for you, then take the words, make them yours, and get the successes that you're wanting. It does not have to be my way. Make this yours. This is merely an outline for you to do with it what you want. Now, some of the wording is in a way that I will explain because it does certain things to the way we think. So I'm going to explain all of this in this first video, and then you'll have a video of me just doing the declarations. The declarations for my morning and my morning grounding, and then the declarations for money. So here we go with the added instructions. All right, the big thing with declarations is that if you can see them, meaning print out the papers, that's why I made them printable, print out the papers so you can see it, say the words out loud, because then you say it and you hear it. Now the last one, fill it, you can take this multiple ways. You can literally fill it by putting your hand on your vocal cords and feeling the vibrations. You can have music that creates an emotional reaction that allows you to feel it. Either one of those work. But if you've never heard this about declarations, let me share it with you right now. If there is no emotional reaction when you state your declaration, it won't make it through the filter. So that means you have to use repetition. I prefer intensity, which is emotional reaction. Both work. So if you compare this with some really amazing music that stirs emotion with you and use the declarations that way, great, then they will get into your mind faster and you will see change faster. If you are someone that wants to say it over and over and over and over again, then I recommend you say them in 3s. Why 3s? Because your mind loves 3s and so does the universe. So you would say the same set of declarations 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the evening. All right, next part of this, and I'm looking at my notes because I want to make sure I follow along with the paper I gave you. So I ground, and when I ground, so first, what is grounding? Because not everyone who watches this will even know what grounding is. Everything on this planet has electricity going through it. And from a physiological perspective, sometimes we build up too much electricity. I had brothers, and I had brothers that would rub their feet on the carpet and then touch me. What happens? You get shocked. Have you ever gone to kiss them when you love and you shock each other when you kiss? It's because your body is full of literal energy. It's full of electricity. So from a physical perspective, grounding helps push all of that extra energy into the ground that can take it. Energetically, grounding is a way to connect you to the entire universe. It's a way to connect you to Mother Earth and to the heavens, and to let the energy that they have flow through you. So I'm going to teach you how to ground, and then the declarations. Now, I've already given you some tips on declarations. Watch the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, let me know. And once again, thank you so much for sharing my classes with your friends and family, because that's the only reason you got this video. So thank you.